Greetings, fellow travelers. T5 the Traveler here with Becky the Trekkie. Time for an indoor dark ride roller coaster. Goes way back. I think it's been here 30 or 40 years. It's called Blazing Fury. It's going to be right here behind us. We've never ridden it before, so we're walking in. We have no idea what to expect, so you'll be along with us for a first ride. We'll try to get a good seat and see how it goes. All right, join us for the ride. Blazing Fury. It's nicely themed. All right, Becky, front row.
Don't blow me to guess. Yeah, you got to blow me to guess now. Okay, but you'll have to. So we need to not blow guess at all until you take the train off.
We can run, just not that train, right?
We want to move the train out. We can. Okay. Go ahead and shut this train out. Then after this, we'll stop the train. Okay.
Looks like we're the last ride of the day. Woo.
It's now closing.
Clear?
All clear.
All clear. Okay.
Here we go.
Front row. Here, oh boy. Holy smokes. Got some animatronics. Wow, they're kind of creepy.
Oh, a little bit.
Uh-huh.
Oh, good grief.
I don't know what to expect here.
I don't either. Look at
Okay.
these jump out.
Nice little town here. Looks like a... Oh, we got gunfire. Good, great. Got a man in a barrel here. Slippery Timber Company. Oh boy. Got some fire element effects over there to the left. Oh, this lady's gonna jump off and one guy's gonna catch her, I guess.
Oh, God.
Oh boy, here comes the dark elements.
Oh, no.
I'm just waiting for this thing to fall any second. Uh-huh. Oh, it's gonna get real dark right here.
Oh, my God.
Oh boy.
I felt like we were going to hit.
I thought it was gonna go crazy.
Yeah.
Really, all the animatronics are holding up pretty good. Got a dark tunnel right here.
Spooky.
So it says, looking for my husband, looking for a husband, any size or shape. Hot baths, 25 cents. Oh, I don't know, maybe. Oh, it is really dark, everybody.
Oh, my God.
Oh man, are we gonna drop? No.
I don't know. I was
Nope, I can see. We're still straight ahead. Oh wow, they got some water elements down here. To the right. Got a canoe. Okay, this is more tame than Fire in the Hole so far.
I don't know. We'll see.
We'll see. Okay.
Oh.
Oh.
Here we
nope,
go.
We're going. Oh man!
You hit me in the face.
I hit my side on the side of the ride there.
Oh.
I put my arms up. That was a bad call. There's like no restraint there. Sorry, I got you, Becky.
God.
I put my arms up and it threw me. Oh, we're going again. I'll try to stay over. Here comes the train.
Oh my God!
Oh! What in the world? Another drop.
Oh.
What? What in the world?
Oh, dang.
Uh-huh. And we're back. Okay. Okay. That was unique.
That was, yeah.
Wow. All the hundreds of coasters we've been on. I don't think I've ever actually bopped you before. That was
No, that was
a first.
Yeah.
To the left. All right. All right, just coming off of Blazing Fury indoor dark ride there. It was a little bit of a rough ride for me, actually. We took that first drop, and then it's like a sharp turn to the left, and it kind of threw me left, and I had my arms up, and Becky took an elbow to the head or to the face. Sorry about that.
Here.
Yeah, that wasn't great. Don't put your hands up on that, I guess, because there's no lap belt. It's just a bar that pulls down, and it's like a basic, the basic old style restraints from like 30, 40 years ago. And you got a lot of play there. The indoor drops are nice. I mean, I thought it was nicely themed. The animatronics are still working, so it's up to date. I think it's running like it did, when it was original. It's taken really good care of it. We were on a similar ride that's pretty popular on the channel. It's called Fire in the Hole. They said Fire in the Hole when they launched this, and that's because this park was a Silver Dollar City park before it was Dollywood Park, and that one is at Silver Dollar City. So if you enjoyed this one, check that video out. That's the original ride before the redo, and they've redone it for last year, this year. So that's a different one. This one, all in all, I thought it was pretty good. What'd you think?
Yeah, I really enjoyed it. Like Fire in the Hole. I was like waiting for any drop element to happen there when it was like pitch black, but yeah, I wasn't expecting when it was gonna happen.
The pacing was slower. Like the train was a little bit slower running than Fire in the Hole, I think.
A little bit.
Like generally, and then the drops picked up, but I don't know. I was like expecting the drops, and then I didn't think there was gonna be drops, and then there were 3 drops. So all in all, it's a great ride. The kids really love it.
Fun.
It's really nicely themed, and yeah, all in all, I'm gonna give it like an 8 out of 10, I guess, for this type. So. Thanks for joining us on this one. Hope to see all our fellow travelers, loyal subscribers soon. Make sure to leave us a like. It helps the channel grow, and we'll see you next time. Bye, everybody.